So my name's Elizabeth, and I'm gonna sing Fucking Perfect from Pink, which is one of my favorite songs. My dad always plays guitar and sings, so I sort of just started singing all the time. And I've had classical lessons for a year. I don't know, there's many places that I want to see at least. It's pretty hard for me to decide where I would want to settle down finally, but probably somewhere in the US or in Europe. If I could perform with one artist, that would definitely be Pink, because she just has this fantastic energy and she loves being on stage.
Lag númer 13, Fucking Perfect, Elisabeth.
Made a wrong turn once or twice, dug my way out, blood and fire, bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood, no way it's all good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty, please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty, please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect to me. You're so mean when you talk about yourself. You were wrong. The voices in your head, make them like you instead. So complicated, look happy you'll make it. Feel there's so much hatred, such a tired game. It's enough, I've done all I can think of. Chased out all my demons, I see you do the same. Whoa, whoa, pretty, pretty, please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty, please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect to me. The whole world's scared, so I swallow the fear. The only thing I should be drinking is ice cold beer. So cool and light, and we try, but we try too hard. It's a waste of my time. I'm looking for the critics, cause they're everywhere. They don't like my jeans, they don't get my hair. Exchange ourselves, and we do it all the time. Why do we do that? Why do we do that? Why do I do that? Yeah!